Hello! In this video, I will provide you with the easy to follow instructions and printable patterns so you can bring your very own ghost mask to life. The elements can be sewn or glued with the hot glue. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, trick-or-treating, or just want to add some eerie flair to your costume, this ghostly felt mask will make you the star of the night. As a gift, I also prepared a mask for self-coloring for kids. Thanks to it, you can quickly create masks for the whole bunch, each different and unique. Let's start it. We will need felt, threads, scissors, vanishing marker, hot glue, elastic band, plastic cord lock, hole punch or needle, and lighter. Prepare patterns and cut them out. Place them on right color of felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Take this paper pattern and cut holes for the eyes. Now put it on the mask so that they are overlapped and draw the cut shapes with vanishing marker. Then cut them out. Take this paper pattern and cut out the inner shape. Place it on pink elements so that they are overlapped and draw the cut shape with vanishing marker. And now cut it out this shape. Now place it in the center of the red element and draw the inner shape with vanishing marker. Then place the tooth and tongue in these places and sew them with the corresponding colors. Place this element on the top in this place and sew its outer and inner edges with pink thread. Place the mouth on the mask in this place and sew along the edge with red thread. The bottom thread is white. Now take this paper pattern again and make holes in the places of dots. You can use simple needle or hole punch. Now put it on the left side of the mask so that they are overlapped and draw dots in the places of holes. Put the plastic cord lock on elastic band like this. Press here. Take elastic band and put the end into the first hole. And now to the second hole. Apply hot glue in the places of dots and attach ends of the elastic band. At the end, place this white element in these places and sew them with white thread. The ghost mask is ready. Just put it on the face and adjust the size of the bag with the plastic cord lock. If you would like to make another Halloween mask, just click on this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.